Okay now, Janet. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Janet Collection. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now this is a 360 synthetic wig. That means it's laced all the way around this wig. Upstyles, anyone? Yeah. So if you want to see how I got this wig from A to Slay, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Janet Collection. They also sent your girls some goodies. Got a new can of the Esha Melt and Slay lace spray. Y'all know I love this stuff. I also got one of these scalp massages. It's a massager. I have been wanting to try these for my natural hair, but I always forget to buy them. So thank you, Janet. I also got a detangler comb, an edge scarf, and 2 new Slick and Slay 2-in-1 like edge controls. I got the cocoa scent with shea butter, and then I have the apple scent with castor oil. I'm gonna put all that away so we can get into why we're here. We got the new Janet Collection Human Hair Prime UNIMIX. I'm assuming that means human hair blend. This is the style TUPI. But TUPI in the color number 2. I chose this one because I wanted some texture in my wig, and it's been some time since I had a texture wig from Janet Collections. Thankfully, I just saw a review on this wig by, what's her name? Toya M. It looked pretty cute on her. Hold on, my bag is sweated. This is how we looking on the card. It does come with a 13x6 lace frontal HD 360 lace, so it gives the lace around the back for a glueless look. Let me show y'all the inside of the card real quick to get a better look. Pre-customized natural hairline, supposedly. All right, so we're gonna check it. I'm hoping this wig install is gonna be real fast because I don't feel like being here all day. My head hurt when I ride with him. What smell is that? It's like a clean hospital smell. I mean, that's a good thing, I guess, but you know, whatever. This is what the unit is looking like. She is long. I'm still going, child. But she doesn't come off very thick, which I don't mind at all. You know how all the brands always have their own version of, you know, certain wigs? This is definitely giving me the version of like Letitia for the other brand and Julianne for the other brand. I think TUPI may be Janet Collection's version of that look. I do feel like Janet Collection's hair is a lot sleeker. Kind of reminded me of like, maybe Adana. This is what the hairline is looking like. Supposed to be plucked, so we'll see once I put it around my head. Them baby hairs are grown up, child. You got the 13x6 here in the front, the 2 combs on the side, the attached elastic band with the comb in the back and the adjustable straps, and then you have the lace in the back for upstyles. And the lace is really soft. Let me show y'all this hairline in the back so you can see how that looks. It has like little baby hairs around there, so I may be able to work with that for an upstyle or something. See that seam? That's normally where the ear tab is, so I'm gonna cut behind that to get the back lace off first. The lace does have like a brownish tint. Probably looks ashy, but it definitely has a brown tint to it. And it's stretchy. I love when the lace does this because it's very comfortable. So it should fit very nicely around my dome. Use my black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. Bust it all up around them edges. With the HD lace on synthetic wigs, it should melt if I decide to spray her down or blend her with my contour. So we shall see. We shall over around the dome and then bring it over my head. She twisted up. She got me all twisted up in the game. You got me straight tripping, boo. Clearly I need to cut this off my ears. When you have 360 wigs, you will need to cut into your wig, especially if they stitch up in here. You'll pretty much cut the stitch and then you'll have excess shedding. That's the only thing I don't like when it comes to 360 wigs in general, not just synthetic. I mean, human hair too. I had to cut into the stitch. Hopefully it doesn't affect my wig too much. All right, let's see how the hairline is looking. I mean, it's plucked, but you know, it could be better. I want a slight widow's peak on mine, so I'm just gonna put this in the middle, and I'm gonna tweeze right here, just on the sides over here. Get your brush that out. It's going by pretty fast. Let me tweeze some of this right here. Uh-oh, did I put a hole in my wig? The lace is real soft, so be careful with that. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Cut your lace in 3, 1 and 2. So now you have 3. Oh, that came off real easy. I will be spraying mine down. You know, it is the melt line. Make sure it's where I want it to be. Bring it back some. Take my melt spray, spray that around. Just like that. Blow dry on cool and high. Okay, pull that down. I don't really care about the ear tab portion. I can body put that down if I need to. You brush back my hair so they're not stuck down on my face the wrong way. Let's wrap it down. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then we'll come back and brush this hair out. I am getting some snags and tangles in the middle and towards the end. Like I said, this hair is very long. The curls that were in this wig are kind of coming out, but hopefully they'll bounce back once I style it up. Start at the end and work my way up. That parting space is real nice. I do like that. Put this over here. I like how the frontal lays flat. Like when you brush it, it's flat. You don't got a lot of poofiness around the parting space, so that's good. Let's unwrap it. Oop. Bring it down towards the face. Not bad. Let me get my brush. Use my cream contour. This is Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Catsina. And I'm going to tint around my lace. Put some on my brush. Tap a little bit on my paper. And then tap around the hairline. Get my edges over here. Make sure I look up. Blend that under there. Blend this over here because she is ashy as well. I feel like my hairline is not where I want it to be. I'm gonna just leave it. Let me just brush the hair like this. Put a little spray on my brush. Just kind of mold it in place. I kind of worked it out with those curly cues in the front. Let's get the flip over going without the tangles, please. I feel like this hair is giving like 90s Lifetime movie. Hold up, it's a little thick right here. Let me just pull this out. There we go. I'm using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in the color, what is this, Milk Chocolate? I should have used this color under my lace the first time. Live and learn, child, live and learn. Okay now, Janet. The end result is gorgeous. I was gonna cut it, but I decided to go ahead and leave it as she was out the pack. I do feel like she would be cute in like something like this, like right above the chest, especially in the summer that we're about to get. You're gonna wanna go ahead and cut this or utilize that 360 option that you can pin your wig up in the back. This is how it looks pinned up. I didn't put no bobby pins in the back of my wig like I normally do. Let me show y'all to the back. Okay, y'all can see my kitchen right here, but this right here, this outside part, that's the wig. I use my hair tie right here, my hair bow. I just balled the hair up on top of my head and then I stuck that on there. And because it was gonna be a little bit floppy, I took my little clip, this little joint looks like this. Took my little clip, okay? And I just placed it right there and connected it to the actual cap of the wig so it can hold it in place. That's it. I feel like the melt of this wig looks a lot better the longer I wear her. Okay. So do what you want to do for your unit, all right? The parting space for this wig is, I love it. It brushes flat real nice, so I like that. The texture is, this is a textured synthetic wig. And I understand that it is a human hair prime UNIMIX. I'm gonna assume that means human hair blend, but I feel like the blend is kind of what's making this wig tangle. If you wanna just drop this as a synthetic version with the texture, that may be better for this one just because of how long this wig is and the curls. The hair as a whole doesn't bring a bunch of heat. It will bring heat because it's textured and long. This is all the hair right here to the front. It already feels light as is. So if I was to cut it, that's cute actually. I'm about to get slice happy. What do you guys think about this one? Did the final look come together? I mean, I know she did, but as far as the pros and my preferences, what do you think for this unit? The crazy part about this wig is that it looks really good. It has a natural luster to it. It's just, you know, don't touch it. That's pretty much all I gotta say about that. It's definitely giving a look for $50. Shout out one more time to Janet Collection for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.